My name is Constantin Moroga. I'm president and CEO of Restoration One of Olympia and North Sound. Before my Restoration One career, I was in trucking and logistics industry, and it just never felt like it was me. Just always felt like I wanted to do something else, do more good. And that's when I discovered this industry. I realized there's people that are dealing with floods and disasters every day, and there's tremendous opportunities for us to provide value and help. Most people call us during one of their worst days as a homeowner, and we want them to know there's a plan and they will no longer be facing it alone. Integrity is one standard we will never compromise on. One thing that this business has taught me is that disasters don't discriminate. I think of customers like Kathy. She's the sweetest person you'll ever meet. She calls everyone sweetie, and she's generally nice with everyone, no matter what she's going through. And then one day, something outside her control turns her life upside down.
Those moments remind us why we do what we do and that we are restoring more than homes. On all our jobs, no matter how big or small it is, we always have a final walkthrough with our project manager and the homeowner. This way they can decide together if the job is fully completed and the homeowner is happy.
Honestly, I gotta give the credit to the team. Whenever our people go into a customer's home that's dealing with one of their worst days in their lives, we wanna take that and turn it into a positive thing that they can look back on and don't regret, and that's because of our team.
A homeowner should consider Restoration One because their project is more than a job for us. It's a chance to change someone's life.
In 10 years from now, I would like for people to say that we always treated them fairly, that we did what we said we were gonna do, and then we've always delivered for our customers and community.